Whoa! Ah!
Welcome to English with the Bexleys.
John, are you okay? You look very tired.
I am okay. I just slept very late last night.
Because of the free Wi-Fi in the lobby?
Hey, Wi-Fi in the room is $10 a day.
Dad, you looked like a ghost this morning.
I look like Casper!
Fathers and sons.
This coffee will fix me.
Dad, are we going to Prague Castle today?
Yes, we are. Okay, everyone. Eat more breakfast. We need energy.
John, you already ate 4 croissants.
Prague is a big city. Great! Let's go to the castle.
How?
We can walk.
Walk? Prague Castle is on a big hill.
No, Dad. I want to take photos there. If I walk, I will be too tired. We are taking a tram.
Fine. But first, we need Czech crowns. We only have dollars.
Do you know a good exchange office?
Yes, I saw one near the hotel.
Can I bring my lightsaber there too?
Sure. Maybe you can protect my money. 0% commission. No extra fees?
I don't know, John. Tourist places can be tricky. Be careful.
Trust me, honey. I am the king of money. Hello! I want to change $100 into Czech crowns, please.
Passport, please.
Here is your money. 1860 crowns. Sign here. Wait a minute. 1860 crowns? But $100 should be 2,200 crowns. 0 commission is for $1,000 or more. For $100, our fee is 15%.
15%? That is robbery! I want my $100 back! You signed the paper, sir. No cancellation. Next, please. This is a nightmare! Another money trap!
Don't worry, Dad. I will get the money back.
Timmy, no! Turn that thing off!
Dad, your angry face is very funny.
Let's go to the tram stop before I lose more money.
Excuse me. Where is the tram stop for Prague Castle?
Go straight, then turn left. You will see it near the cafe.
Thank you. And don't forget to buy tickets first.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. 4 tickets, please.
120 crowns.
One, two, three.
Okay, everyone. Let's get on the tram.
Get on? Where is the ladder? Do we go on the roof? No, Timmy. Not on the roof! But Dad always says, get in the car. Now he says, get on the tram.
Listen, Timmy. For small vehicles, we say get in. For big vehicles, we say get on.
Okay, let's get on the tram.
John, don't forget to validate the tickets.
Validate?
Put the ticket in the machine, Dad. Yay! The machine ate our tickets!
Look outside. Prague is beautiful.
Yes, honey.
Wow! Look at the castle. It looks like a fairy tale. We protect the castle! Do you fight dragons?
Look over there. What is that delicious smell?
It smells so good. Can we buy one, Daddy?
Oh, that is Trdelník. Yes, Timmy, we must try it. It is very famous here.
One more Trdelník with ice cream, please.
Wow, it is hot and cold at the same time. Delicious!
Wait, Timmy. Don't move.
Why? An ice cream night. This is my best photo.
Okay, we saw the castle and ate dessert. Now, let's walk down the hill.
Are you sure, John?
We can see the old streets and Charles Bridge.
The streets look like a labyrinth. We can get lost.
Trust me, Mary. I am the king of maps.
That sounds dangerous already.